Okay. Now we will post the business transaction by using FB50 T code. Okay. Yesterday we was posted using T code F-02. Okay. Now we will be posting by using FB50 T code. Okay. What is the difference between FB50 and F-02? Okay. FB50 T code we will called as user friendly T code. Okay. We can say user friendly T code. Here you can see the screen. Okay. Our company code is ABCD. Our company code is ABCD. Okay. Here you can see company code ABCD. Okay. User friendly, we can use single screen for updating the multiple line items. Okay. In this screen we can update multiple line items. Okay. Then during the posting each line item level, directly we can select debit credit indicators. Okay, if the line item is debit, then select debit. If the line item is credit, we can select credit. Here you can see debit credit indicators, right? Then here there is no posting key option. Okay, in this screen we don't have any posting keys. Directly we can select debit and credit. Okay, now we can post one business, we will post one business transaction. Okay, let me open Excel first. Here yesterday we were posted these two business transactions. Now we will post these two. Okay, yeah, B50. Okay, we are posting the transaction sold goods on cash rupees 15,000, discount 10%. Okay, on discount 10%, that is 1500. Here you can see the calculation. Okay, 15,000 minus 10,000, 10% discount 1500. Here 13,500. Okay, we are selling the goods. Okay, we are selling the goods. Debit cash. Cash is coming in based on real account. Real account belongs to assets. Cash is asset. Okay, cash is coming into our business or organization. Okay, then we have to debit what comes in. Okay, next, discount allowed. Discount allowed, why we have debited? Discount allowed is an expense. Discount allowed is an expense. Based on nominal rule we have to debit the expense. That is the reason we have debited. Okay, how much? 10%. Here you can see 10% on 15,000. Okay, that is 1500. Next, credit sales. Credit sales. Sales or revenue or income. Sales is an income. Based on nominal rule, we have to credit the incomes. That is the reason I have credited the sales amount 15,000. Okay, now debit equal to credit. Okay, here you can see sum 0. Now same thing we will post the business transaction in SAP. Okay, discount allowed still not created. This is an expense we have to create in T code FS double zero. FS double zero. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10 I will create, or else 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 10 only I will create. Expense. FSW. 1 lakh 10, company code ABCD. Here expense, profit and loss account, discount allowed, discount allowed, trading partner ABCD01, group account number, other expenses, control data, only balance in local currency, line item display, short key 001, G005, G004. Okay, save. Then go to FB50. Here select company code, our company code ABCD, transaction date 10/4/2025, 10/4/2025, posting date same, okay, reference testing, document header text testing. Here we have to post first line item is cash, cash GL 7 lakh, 7 lakh. Here directly we can select debit or credit. Cash should be debit. How much? 13,500. Here you can see 13,500. Okay. Here text, text sold goods on cash, discount 10%. Okay, discount 10%. Okay, next second line item, second line item, discount allowed, discount allowed. How much we create? What is the GL code we have created? Here you can see 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 10. Here debit, directly we can select. In F-02 we have to give the posting key, debit posting key, and select 7 lakh cash. Okay, I will show 10/04/2025, testing, testing. Here posting key we have to select 40, again enter, and here we have to give 13,500, again debit line item we have to select 40. Okay, there is no, here in FB50 not required, posting keys all are not required, directly we can select debit and credit. Okay, in I told you in normal transaction we have to select posting keys, and each line item data we have to post in each screen. Okay, again we have to go to another screen and need to post, posting key 50, and again we have to enter the data in another screen, that is taking time. Okay, in FB50 is, that is the reason I told you FB50 is the user friendly screen. Okay, here 1500, text same. Next sales GL, sales GL, select credit sales. Okay, here directly we can select credit line item, then 15,000. Okay, text same you can give and enter. Here you can see total debit INR equal to total credit INR. Okay, then go to simulate. Go to simulate. Here you can see the transaction. Here document date, posting date, our company code, cross check each and everything, and post period 01, debit cash 7 lakh, amount 13,500, debit discount allowed 1,10,500, and credit sales 15,000. 15,000 and post and post the transaction and post the transaction. Here document was posted, display posted document, go to FB03, document number, company code and physical year 2025, enter. Okay, then here you can check each and everything, header data and line item data. Go to document header. Here you can see document type, document header text, reference, document date, posting date and period, who was posted this entry, and reference key. I told you before, first 10 digit is document number, then 4 digit is company code, remaining last 4 digit is physical year. Okay, our currency INR, time of entry, this is the time of entry. Then go to GL balances, FS10N, GL balances, FS10N. Okay, give the amount, that means GL account, cash GL and discount allowed GL, then sales GL, and execute. Here you can see. Okay, this is the GL balance report. Okay, this is the difference between FB50 and F-02. Okay, if you want to post entries in FB50, then you can post. Okay, if you want to post in FB F-02 T code, you can post as well. Okay, again I'll post 15/04/2025, testing, reference testing. I'll post salaries, debit salaries, credit cash, debit salaries. Here we can select directly debit amount 1 lakh. Here text salaries payment. Okay, second line item 7 lakh, cash account, credit 1 lakh, cash, enter. Okay, debit 1 lakh equal to credit 1 lakh. Go to simulate. Now observe document header, header and line item, then post. Okay, that's it. This is the difference between FB50 and F-02.